How to check who unfollowed you on Instagram. Now, if you go ahead and access your Instagram application and log into your account, there's no such thing or there is no immediate feature or even an option for you just to be able to immediately check those specific followers that you followed and just suddenly unfollowed you. What you want to do is just a reminder that this process is a lengthy process. So what you need to do from here is just to export all your information, but specifically only your followers. Just head straight into the three lines at the top right portion of your screen, go into the account center, and then scroll down and go into your information and permissions, and then choose on export your information. Now once you've downloaded all the followers that you have on this account, we will have to compare it using any preferred browser on your device. In here, just simply type in compare tool. Scroll down a bit, and you can try to use any of your preferred text compare tool. So for this video, let's just choose on this checker. Now, once you have downloaded all the information you have on your followers list, you just have to copy all of them. Just simply select all, paste it here at first, and then on the other one, just simply paste it there. Now choose on find difference, and in there you should be able to check out the difference between those people who followed you during that span of date after the second blank page. So that's pretty much it. That's the only option that you can do for you to be able to check who unfollowed you on Instagram.